welcome to the third installment of Teardown. Remember to like and subscribe to see more.
Let's see what it says.
Alright, let's get into it.
Let's see. Amateur, you reached a new rank. Oh wow, it just called me an amateur. What's this?
Was that a power washer?
Oh, it's a blowtorch.
Oh.
Cool.
I said power washer.
Another smash and grab this weekend.
We didn't do that.
Yeah, we didn't break down the fence. Okay, that's someone else then. Yeah, turn off that crap.
Matt Lauer's getting annoying.
Damn liberals. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. I really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see. Oh wait, is that something I already read?
Whoa. Marina's too small.
I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted, Mom. Gordon Woo. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a little bit. But it seems to have cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina and the board says that there's no space for a new dock. Do you use your demolition skills again? Remove one of the timeshare cabins? The original documentation also disappeared, then ta-da. Like it was never there. Alright, Brody, you're up.
Oh, Lord.
Here you go, bro. Here's the headset.
We're straight ghetto in this shit.
Yeah, dude. This Chicago. West Point Marina. Maker Spice.
I'm ready to see how a master does this. I get caught immediately.
On the ground. In the court dirt bag. Making space.
Alright, let's see what I gotta do.
Oh, you arrived on a boat?
That's how I came here.
You arrived on a boat? Sunglasses, mostly cheap ones.
I got Oakley's. Why I had to destroy this place?
Is that the one
you wanted me to grab documents?
Yeah, is that the one you gotta destroy, right?
Yeah. Oh, what?
Oh, it's in the other room.
What room this house got?
Use the blowtorch, see if that works.
Oh.
Oh, dump it in the water. Blow out the wall and just shove it through.
You're coming with me.
Come on, safe.
Come on.
Oh yeah. They just find you. You're having like a fence. You're in the fencing response just, from the safe.
You're coming with me. Damn, this shit is heavy.
See, it's a timeshare cabin. It's for rich people. They'll live. They can buy another one.
Oh,
Oh, there we go.
and what was the other one? Destroy what? Oh, I see it.
Oh, it's over there.
I thought they said something about destroy a cabin, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I get the cool ones.
Yeah.
You get caught up.
Oh, I'm the one that's fixing it. I'm the one that fixes the issues. Just ran into it. Oh, I thought you were gonna drown. I was like, oh, well, there goes that.
Oh, you said you're... Jesus Lord.
You're just drowning.
Can't swim.
This is the one you have to destroy, right?
Nah, I think...
Oh,
man, that other one was so heavy. Are you kidding me?
Are those the documents?
Man. Alright, buddy.
Out the window you go.
You're coming with me.
Why don't you take it out the other side? The water's like right there. Or no, yeah, that's too far.
No, hold up, you're on to something. No, you're really on to something. 'Cause it is
Oh,
right
yeah,
here.
yeah. Okay. I was talking about the long side, though, like right behind
I
you.
was thinking that too, to be honest.
And then I saw it was like a warehouse thing. I was like, oh, break the, instead of dragging, yeah, there we go.
Yeah, maybe my IQ is really not that big.
Oh, it's right, okay.
But there's a metal fence.
Here, if you can push it over to that, you could probably get in that vehicle and use the vehicle to push it in.
Evidence gone.
With the whole forklift.
Oh wait. Let's see what I got. Just say what I got destroyed.
Look around real quick. Oh, that one, that one. You just crash into everything. Oh god, it's gonna sink. Jesus, talk about a Titanic level threat.
What?
Now this is an Avengers threat. Oh my god! That's one hell of an underbite.
I think I'm going underwater.
Are you taking the other boat now? They have insurance.
Let me drive the boat.
This is why the government says get insurance. Oh, now this is what I'm talking about. You know, if you think about it, I drive a Challenger, so I technically drive a boat.
True, true. And you crashed a little bit, so it makes sense.
Wasn't my fault. The tree came out of nowhere.
Damn tree.
Zach, why'd you turn traction control off? Don't worry about it. Guess I just got destroyed this one.
Yeah, I think it's the last one. 6 meters. Yeah, see if you can just knock it into the water.
That was the plan, Macho Man.
Crashes.
New plan. I don't even know how I got on top.
Demolition complete. Oh. Now where's the escape? Okay, there's the escape vehicle.
Oh, it's right there.
Shark.
Yeah, I was thinking that they should have put a shark in here or something, you know?
They probably, I don't know.
Maybe in the later rounds.
Stop playing with yourself.
I was about to say, y'all can't see me, but I'm scratching my nuts. Let's go.
Heck yeah, bro.
Alright, we gotta see what the news is saying about me.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in again. We'll see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe to see more. Alright, have a good one. Love you all. Be safe.